guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. So the topic of today's video, as you can already see it from the title itself, will be on derma roller, or you can say micro needling. This video is not at all sponsored. I just thought that I should share it with you all, whether it is effective or not, how to use, why to use, so all those stuff. So the one which I am using right now is from the brand Gub, Be Beautiful Inside Out Derma Roller. So let me just show you the inner packaging. So this is the inner packaging of the roller. You will be getting it in a plastic box, and this is the derma roller. You will be provided with this kind of a handle so that you have a nice grip on this product. So this is all about the packaging. Now coming to the price of this derma roller. The cost of this derma roller is rupees 315 rupees. If you want to buy it, you can buy it from Flipkart or Amazon. It is available there. You will have to spend rupees 315, which is, I think, cost effective, and it's worth the purchase because you are getting a very nice and sturdy product in this price range. Price range of derma rollers differs from brand to brand, so you have to choose out of all those. This one is from Gub. There are many brands out in the market you can choose from, so you can definitely try out one of this. So you can see that there are tiny needles all around this circular thing. The size of these needles will differ according to the use of this one. The one which I have is 0.5. So now you may think that why should we injure our face with these needles. So let me very quickly explain the mechanism behind this derma roller. So when you will apply this derma roller on your face, the needles will puncture your skin, which will create some holes. This is the controlled, we call it the controlled injury, because you are having control over it, right? So this injury will stimulate the production of collagen in your face. Collagen is a very important component for your skin to be healthy. स्किन में हमारे प्रॉब्लम्स तभी आती है जब हमारी जो स्किन का हीलिंग प्रोसेस है वो स्लो डाउन हो जाए या फिर कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन कम हो जाए. सो यू हैव टू बूस्ट द कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन. सो दिस इज़ द रीज़न व्हाई वी आर इंड्यूसिंग सम काइंड ऑफ इंजुरी to your face. So for example, you are having problem of hyperpigmentation in this area. So what is the reason behind this? The reason is low production of collagen. So after you will roll this derma roller over that affected area, what it will do is it will force the production of collagen. Ki now you have to work on this area because this area is injured, so you have to repair this area. So तब क्या होगा, जब कोलाजन प्रोडक्शन होगा, यहाँ आपका जो हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन है वो भी कम हो जाएगा. It will heal this part of your face, and it will also decrease the hyperpigmentation in this area. So this is the mechanism actually behind microneedling. Microneedling is also followed by dermatologists. They are very professional one, but now we can also do it at home with this. So now you may have a question that will it hurt or not. So what I would say that it will depend on your pain tolerance. Now पहली बार में आप ज़्यादा फोर्स नहीं लगा पाओगे क्योंकि that will be your first time, but with time आप फोर्स थोड़ा बढ़ाते जाओ, फिर you will be used to it. Now who can use it? People who have acne problems, hyperpigmentation, acne scars, so you all can use it. Just remember that you should not use it on active acne. Do not use it on active acne. सूखने के बाद उसके ऊपर आप यूज़ करो डर्मा रोलर, ताकि जो उसका पिगमेंटेशन है या फिर स्कार्स है वो ना रहे. Do not use on active acne. After you take this out from the box, the first thing you need to do is sterilization. So for sterilizing this one, you can use rubbing alcohol, or if you don't have that, just boil some water and you dip it, keep it aside for some time, and then you can use it again on your skin. And one more thing, if you are using this tool, then make sure no one else uses this on their skin because it may cause infections. This is also used to promote hair growth. Just the way you apply it on your face, you need to apply it on your scalp. If you are applying on your scalp, do not use it on your face. That is my suggestion. If you are solely using it for your hair growth, then do not use it on your face. So let me just show you a demo of how to use this one. Pull the skin of that area where you want to apply it. First, you need to apply it vertically, then apply it horizontally, and then you can apply it diagonally. Just repeat 5 times each. Similarly, just take small sections on your face. Do not apply it on your eyes, ears and neck. After applying it, you may feel that your skin has turned red. You don't need to worry. After some time, the redness will fade away. After the redness is gone, you can apply some vitamin C serum, your daily moisturizer or vitamin E serum, anything you want. Just make sure that you are not applying makeup or anything that is very much extra to your skin. Do not use. Also, do not go under the sun just after using this tool because it may be harmful for your skin. So avoid going outside immediately after using this. You will be also finding some instructions written on this part of the cardboard packaging, so read it carefully. So now the question is, how often should you use a derma roller? I would say once a week because collagen production एक ही दिन में नहीं होता है. It takes time. So use once a week. Do not ये नहीं कि आपको जल्दी रिजल्ट चाहिए तो एक वीक में आप 4-5 बार इसको यूज़ कर लो. Don't do that because अगर आपने ऐसा किया तो you may have wear and tear on your face which may not be repaired again. If you have skin problems like allergy, open wound or etc., then please consult a doctor before using a derma roller. ऐसा नहीं कि मैंने बोल दिया आप लोग यूज़ करना उसी दिन से start कर दो. No, don't do that. If you have skin problems, then you should please consult a professional. As per my research, you will have to wait for 4 to 5 months to get the result on your face. It won't happen immediately, so you need to be a little bit patient with what you are doing, and that's all what you need to do. You have to be patient. So that's all you need to know about micro needling or derma roller. So I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you have any other queries, then you can ask me on the comment section. I will try my level best to answer those. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with a new video. Please do not forget to share this video and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Stay tuned and bye bye.